Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Valadina Febri. I'm the LSPR Communication and Business Institute Indonesia student under the supervision of Mr. Charles Bonar Sirait as my mentor and lecturer. I'm here today to talk you about micro hydropower turbulent turbines. Micro hydropower plant is a type of hydroelectric power scheme that produces up to 100 kilowatts of electricity using a blowing steam or a water blow. The electricity from such system is used to power up isolated home or community and is sometimes connected to the public. Micro-hydro systems are generally used in developing countries to provide electricity to isolate community or rural village where electricity grid is not available. Micro-hydro plants that are found in the developing world are mostly in mountainous regions, for instance in some places in the Himalaya as well as in Nepal, where there are around 2,000 schemes including both mechanical and electrical power generation. In South America, there are micro-hydro programs in the country along the Andes, such as Peru and Bolivia. Smaller programs have also been set up in the hilly areas of Sri Lanka, Philippines, and some parts of China. The micro-hydro scheme design can be approached as per household basis or at the village level, often involving local materials and labor. Micro-hydropower is the most environmental friendly renewable energy source. They generate clean energy from rivers and canals without disturbing the environment. The river flow installation has a much smaller impact schematic drift, with almost zero CO2 emission and high generation factors and micro-hydro energy output. And then there is advantage micro-hydropower. For the first, efficient energy source. It takes only small amounts of blood to make it work, or small as small 2 gallons of water or a drop of as low as 2 feet. To generate electricity, with the microhydro, the produced electricity can be used as far as a mile away from the production site. And the second, reliable electric source, there is a constant on and continuous electrical energy supply from a hydropower plant compared to the other small-scale renewable energy technology. There are, however, peak energy season, mainly during winter, when large quantities of electricity is required. No receiver required. Microhydro are considered to run as a run-of-river system. This means that when the water passes through the turbine, it is diverted back to the river or stream with relatively low impact on the surrounding ecology. And then any disadvantage of microhydro. For the first, low power in the summer months. Since stream will reduce their flow rates depending on the season, summer months are likely to have less flow leading to less power output. However, advanced planning and research can ensure adequate energy requirements are met. And the second, environment impact. There is a broad ecological impact from small-scale hydro systems. However, the low-level environmental effect must be taken into consideration before construction begins. Stream water will be diverted away from a portion of the stream, and proper caution must be exercised to ensure there will be no damaging impact on the local ecological or infrastructure. So, of the advantages and advantages of a micro hydropower, it is included in the criteria on system developed technology with turbulent. The turbine is based on the principle of a whirlpool. While being both fish friendly and allowing debris to pass through, The Belgian company Turbulent has developed a wild power turbine that can provide energy 24 hours a day for dozens of homes. Inspired by nature, the decentralized hydropower plant and can be installed in most rivers and canals, providing a low-cost power solution in rural areas around the world. The generator uses flowing water to produce energy enough to power up to 60 homes. 60 homes. According to the company, the system is freeze-friendly, has long operating life, require low maintenance, or as the turbine is the only moving part, and it can be remotely monitored as well. And then the installation process, the turbulent. The system can easily be installed with a week time at every natural height difference in a river or canal. A hole is dug near the water source to install a concrete basin from prefabricated parts. Then, a generator and impeller are installed inside the basin and earth put in place. When the river or canal wall is raised, water runs into a basin, forming the vortex and getting turbines going. The control dashboard offers live monitoring of the turbine's performance and status for you thanks to its connection to the mobile network. The generated energy can be injected back to the grid or into off-grid communities. Thanks to the high durability, low maintenance, and low environmental impact, the turbine provides a vast and sustainable return on investment. So, you viewers of the channel, I'm big fans of this lateral thinking approach to solving some our planetary problems. If you want to know more about the micro hydropower technology system, you can visit the website in the describe. Thank you.